What's up guys, Amogrator here, and you know what annoys me the most? Poor battery life. So in this video I'll be talking about the ways to get more out of your battery and yeah, basically how can you boost up your device's battery life. So let's begin it. Well, this video will be divided in two parts. First, in this part I'll be telling you about the different software tweaks that you can do to get more battery life, and in the next part I'll be talking about the hardware methods to get more battery life. So first I would like to tell you that there is no magical way to get amazingly awesome battery life out of your device. Well, there is a magical way in the hardware section. I call it magical because I think it's magical, but in the software side I don't think there is any kind of amazing tweak which will give you super battery life. But there are a few things you can do to get a few more hours, and I think a few more hours is really worth it. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so let's start off with more conventional ways. Well, these ways I think you all already know, that just reduce your brightness, turn off Wi-Fi, turn off Bluetooth, turn off GPS when not in use, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So these ways everybody knows and I find them boring, so let's get to some new ways. Number 1, remove unnecessary widgets. Well, there might be lots of widgets on your home screen, and I'm sure some of them you won't be using at all. For example, this Facebook status update widgets. I have never actually read a status update from this widget, so just remove it, because widgets actually take up a lot of battery life, and removing a lot of widgets will really help to get more battery life. Number 2, increase the refresh interval of the widgets you're using. For example, this is a weather app, and to show the current weather it has to update itself at regular intervals, and there is a setting which actually determines the refresh interval. So just open your app and go to the settings. Every app definitely has a settings option, so just find something like update interval. So you see I have set it to 6 hours, and usually it is like 1 hour or 30 minutes. So the higher value you set it to, more the less will be the battery consumption and more will be the battery life. Number 3, now live wallpapers look really awesome, but they drain amazing amount of battery. So I would suggest you to turn off replace your live wallpaper with a static wallpaper of any kind, and that will really help you to get more battery, trust me. Yeah. Number 4, turn off synchronization for the accounts you don't want to be synchronized. So go to system settings, go to accounts and sync, and here you will have all the accounts which you have added to different kind of applications, and this green color signifies that sync is on. It says here as well, so just tap on it. It will open up this menu, and it will give you a lot of options, because there are different kind of things to sync. For example, browser, calendar, and according to your needs just uncheck the ones you don't need, and this method will really help you to get more battery life. Number 5, turn off haptic feedback. So go to system settings, go on sound settings, and there, come down, and the last one you'll see is haptic feedback. If this box is checked, make sure you uncheck it, and this will also help you to save much battery. Number 6, turn off the vibrate on key press feature on your Android keyboard. So just go to some application, and where you can type something, so this keyboard comes out. Pull down your notification bar and go to select input method, and after that go to configure input methods, and find out your Android keyboard and go to the settings. Now here you can see vibrate on key press, and if it is checked, make sure you uncheck it and just come out. This will also help you to save a lot of battery life, because every time you press a key, the phone vibrates, and that does eat up your battery pretty quickly. Number 7, stop the unnecessarily running apps from your phone. See, even if you stop these or remove the applications from your multitasking tray, some of them really don't stop. So go to settings and go to application, and that will open up this thing, and swipe this side, go to running, so it will show you the running apps. Now there would be some apps which you won't be using. For example, I'm not using the weather channel right now. I'm not using power amp, but they are still running and eating up your RAM and battery. So tap on that application and click on stop. So it will actually stop the application, and that will definitely help you gain more battery life. There you go, guys. These were the software tweaks that I use to get better battery life, and I am sure you'll also get better battery life using these tweaks. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you watch part 2 of this video, that is the hardware section as well, and make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the link over here, and that way you will be able to get immediate updates to the videos I'll be doing in coming weeks. So thanks very much, guys. I'll see you in my next video.